Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue with the Seaway and the idea that when we move goods, there's data to look at and there's ways that we can analyze it to draw conclusions, meaning why is it why is the Seaway so important to shipping? Why is the Seaway um, a more effective way to transport goods? So today I can. So after we have analyzed this data, you're going to design a boat for the Seaway because that's what we use to ship things. So you'll design your boat and you get to put some things in it if you want. But I just want to see what kind of boat you would put in the Seaway based on the data that we're going to look at right now. So the data tells us that the movement is one of the five themes of geography, okay? And the Seaway allows movement to occur in the Great Lakes region. And remember, Michigan is part of the Great Lakes and Midwest region. So if we look at energy consumption, emissions, accident spills, and noise level from ships, look at that is a one unit. But if you go over one to rail, that means the trains, you'll see that spills increase, accidents increase, emissions increases from one, noise level gets louder, a lot more energy is used. Then if you go to truck, you can see that even more energy is consumed. Emissions, accidents go way up when you're shipping by truck, spills, and noise level. So what we can see is that based on the data, shipping is a very effective way to move goods in the Seaway. They can carry a large amount of goods. They're more energy efficient, um, and it's a very effective way to move goods from the Atlantic Ocean into the Great Lakes region. So here's another way to look at it. Um, so ships in the Seaway are large, often twice as long and at least half as wide as a football field. One ship can move enough wheat to make bread for every resident of New York City for nearly a month. So that can tell us that these ships carry a large amount of goods and they are more energy efficient and cheaper than using a truck or a railroad to do so. That's why so many companies choose to ship their goods that way during the shipping season. So now this gets added to the bottom. So you can see that one ship is equal to about 225 rail cars or 870 trucks. That's of a lot of material on one ship is equal to that many cars and trucks. Wow. So we know that shipping with those big ships you can move a lot more you can move a lot more goods. They're energy efficient, and as you can see, you can use one ship compared to 225 rail cars or 870 trucks. So today in your Google Classrooms, you have to go back to the e-learning. There is a Google slide for you to design a boat. So you can do anything, any way you want to design a boat, you can. And then you're going to present it on Flipgrid. So if you want to use the Google Slides, if you want to use a Google Draw, if you want to draw one by hand and take a picture of it with your camera, you can do that. All those things are ways you can do it, but then you're going to post your boat on the Flipgrid. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again.